If you're looking to stay ahead in the AI game, these 5 newly released tools are game changers. From automating tasks to enhancing productivity, these AI tools are designed to streamline your workflow and open up new opportunities. Let's check them out now. OpenAI Operator. OpenAI Operator is a new experimental tool that lets AI models directly interact with the internet, not just to search, but to use websites like a human would. It can fill out forms, click buttons, make bookings, place orders, and navigate web pages entirely on its own. Think of it like a GPT-4 agent with a browser and a mouse. It is currently available to a limited group of testers. You must be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, only accessible via the Alpha Memory Plus Actions feature set in GPT-4o. Once it rolls out more widely, it may become part of OpenAI's Enterprise Agent framework. Hugging Face's Open Computer Agent is a free, open-source AI agent that can control a real web browser. Instead of just answering questions or generating text, this agent visually sees the web, clicks buttons, types into forms, scrolls pages, and completes full workflows, all powered by large language models. Think of it as an autonomous virtual user that can perform real tasks online based on natural language commands. It can simulate entire multi-step tasks like booking appointments, signing up for services, and finding information. You just give it a goal in plain English, and it figures out how to complete it by interacting with the web visually and functionally. Project Hero is Amazon's next-gen AI initiative aimed at redefining how software gets built. It's a real-time coding assistant powered by autonomous AI agents. Hero is designed to write, test, and refine code instantly using your prompts, context, and even integrated documentation. It can auto-generate code from simple text prompts, debug existing code using your file context, suggest best practices and improvements, integrate with dev tools like AWS IDEs and external Git workflows. It can act as a multi-agent AI system. Multiple AI agents can collaborate on large tasks in the background. Hero doesn't just auto-complete, it thinks and builds collaboratively. Currently under internal testing by AWS engineers and select Amazon developers. It is not public yet, but documentation leaks suggest a developer preview or AWS launch is coming very soon. When released, expect it to be part of Amazon Code Whisperer or AWS developer tools. Amazon isn't just building another code assistant. Hero represents a shift toward autonomous software creation. It's part of a larger push to let AI plan, write, and deploy code at scale with minimal human input. If you're a developer, this is the tool that could soon automate entire projects. This is one to watch closely because it's not a toy, it's an industrial-level AI agent. Tool number 5, SAS Viya Copilot. Viya Copilot is an AI-powered assistant built into the Viya Analytics platform designed to help users build, train, and deploy machine learning models faster and more efficiently without needing deep coding expertise. It functions as a natural language interface between the user and analytics engine, meaning you can literally ask it to perform data prep, build predictive models, or generate insights, and it will do it, step by step. SAS has always been known for its enterprise-level analytics, but via Copilot, it makes it more accessible to analysts, decision makers, and non-technical users. Instead of coding from scratch or relying on separate tools, you can stay within one interface and let the AI guide the full modeling. It's especially useful for teams who need auditable, explainable AI, something SAS has been pushing as part of its responsible AI strategy. Viya Copilot isn't just a chatbot or text interface. It's a strategic move by SAS to bring conversational AI into enterprise-level environment. It's ideal for organizations that need scalable AI but want to keep human oversight, compliance, and clarity at the center. These tools are at the forefront of innovation, offering solutions that can transform the way you work. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, enhance productivity, or explore new technologies, these tools are worth taking a look. Check out the links in the description to learn more. Please like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI technology.